Over the hill and through the woods to the beach go we go. We're going to our secret spot. Well, it's no secret. Uh-oh, looks like we got some claim jumpers here. And there's the man, Alan Robertson. Check him out, all the way from Montana, coming to check us out. Check out the gold here on the beach. And he's realizing it's really, really small gold.
Small.
All right.
Gold.
So we'll be here working for the day and try to pull as much gold out of this sand as we can for the day. You guys ready to go get some gold?
Woo-hoo.
Yes, we got Alan set up over there. Got Ira set up next to mine. Boy, his sluice looks like mine. All right. So, of course, he's also a smart guy using a couple Sawtooth mats. Sawtooth, and all rest vortex. Now we're gonna, I don't know, hopefully it's some good ground. Okay, so if you don't want to spend $1,500 on a cube setup, you got to visit this guy's channel, Mr. Alan Robertson, because this guy can make anything out of wood, PVC, and more importantly, a 5-gallon bucket. But his latest adventures is he's making his own mats out of silicone from the hardware store. So if you're on a budget, you don't want to spend that kind of money, and you're crafty and handy, go check out Alan Robinson's channel. You can build a trommel, a sluice, a high banker. I think he's done it all. Even some of his wheelbarrow classifications is pretty cool. So go check out Alan Robinson's videos. Go check out his channel. There's a video for every type of sluice system you can possibly make. Okay, after one bucket on a sweet spot. Yeah, we found it. Looks good. Look at all that. Look at all that gold. Another beautiful day out on the beach. It's nice to finally meet another prospector from another state. Any other prospector wants to come down, I'll be happy to host and show you how to beach mine if you've never done it. Current hole I'm trying out right now. Lots of prospectors out today. I think the Bedrock Club is out here. Sure does get busy on the weekends. Well, we got the truck loaded up. As we were loading it up, somebody came by and said, "Hey, you're from Washington Beach money, aren't you?" I was like, "Yeah. I just want to say thank you. I use your Sawtooth Mat. You got me to buy the cube. You got me to buy the Gold Hawk multi-slews. I replaced all the mats with the sawtooth in the cube. I follow your panning with the Falcon pan." He says, "I'm pretty much identical like you." And it was pretty cool to hear thanks, you know. If it was, he's saying, because of you, that's why we got our family out here looking for gold on this. So I appreciate that. And, you know, it's nice to hear that. It really is. So I'm glad I'll keep sharing these videos, because a lot of people come up and say, "I know you." So anyways, try it. It's a great family event. Kids like it too, so you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with the view on the beach. All right, let's take this stuff home and get it cleaned up. Okay, so I ran day 2 and the results. Yeah, they're not too bad. I did find a hot spot, and hopefully when I found the hot spot, we were just too far away from it carrying buckets. It was getting too much. So I know Alan probably went over that spot, and I told him to go hit that spot all day. It was sweet. So we'll see how his video looks. Alright, well, let's get this into a pan and let's pan it down. Okay, I just did a quick swirl. That's what we're going to be having to pan. Let's see how well this focuses in. Dust. That is all there is dust. So, that's why it's some of the hardest stuff to pan. Okay, it's time for the weigh-in. Alright, that's what it looks like. I'm thinking probably between 2 to 3 grams. Let's find out. Throw it out. Almost 2. Yay. It's hard doing this one-handed. More in there. Let's get it in there. Okay, good enough. 2.443. So 2.5 grams. 28 buckets. It's about 1/10 of a bucket, 1/10 of a gram per bucket. That's actually about average.